Namaste and very good morning to all of you. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brands and develop our personality. I am Suraj Chauhan. I am from Jahanagan. I am a student and I am in 11th class. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on family values. I would say some line in Hindi. इस प्यारी सी दुनिया में मेरा एक छोटा सा परिवार है. इस प्यारी सी दुनिया में मेरा एक छोटा सा परिवार है. हर दिन खुशी मुझे इतनी मिलती है. हर दिन खुशी मुझे इतनी मिलती है जैसे कोई नया त्यौहार है. Start my family is a very precious thing in our life. In fact, I can't imagine my life without my family. Family is the one who are tasked of each other, and in the social will without of family. And independently, unitedly is never complete. It helps in maintaining stability and place in society. I end up my speech with beautiful lines. ना कोई रास्ता आसान चाहिए, ना ही कोई सामान चाहिए. ना ही कोई रास्ता आसान चाहिए, ना ही कोई सामान चाहिए. हर रोज ऊपर वाले से यही दुआ करूंगा, परिवार के चेहरे पर प्यारी सी मुस्कान चाहिए. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my viewers with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a nice day.